Welcome to Self Healing Mastery with Meghalata. In this channel, I've always been talking about EFT and Ho'oponopono as self-healing tools. This is the first time I'm introducing chakra healing in my channel. I'm exploring all the tools which will help us to heal ourselves, which will empower us in taking charge of our health. Chakra healing is one of the tools I found is very, very powerful. I thought I should bring it to my audience, whatever knowledge I have about chakra healing. This is a space for your gentle, powerful healing tools. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notification. Let's dive into the topic. I'm going to talk about how we can unblock our chakras. If you are not aware of what chakras are the energy center in our body. We have 7 major chakras that are aligned roughly along our spinal cord, and these chakras are the energy centers. If there are any problem in the chakras, if there are any blocks in our chakras, it affects our health immediately, it affects our emotions immediately, it affects the whole life immediately. Today, in today's video, I'm going to help you unblock your chakras in just 7 minutes with a simple daily ritual which anyone can do. Why? The blockages in chakras matter. You might be feeling tired sometime. On some days you feel so tired, you feel so scattered, you can't focus on anything, you feel very stuck emotionally. All these are signs of blocked chakras. There's 7 energy centers in your body, hold key to your health, your emotions, even to your success. If you can only learn and reset your chakras on a regular basis, your life will be sorted. As I already said, these chakras are spinning energy wheels inside our body. There are 7 major ones. It runs from the base of the spine to the crown. The root chakra is located at the base of the spine, and the crown chakra is little bit on top of the head. In between, all the chakras are located. All these chakras control different areas in our life. For example, root chakra is responsible for our security, the sense of security you have. If the root chakra is disturbed, you start feeling insecure in life. Sacral chakras control your emotions. Solar plexus or the Manipura chakra, that is your navel chakra, that controls your confidence. If you're having self-confidence issues, that means your solar plexus, your Manipura chakra is disturbed. And your heart chakra, roughly located in the middle of the chest, that is responsible for your love. Heart chakra represents love energy. Then the throat chakra, bit of the throat here. The main function of throat chakra is expression. The 6th chakra is third eye center or Ajna chakra. It's located in between your eyebrows. Third eye chakra or Ajna chakra represents intuition. The crown chakra is little above our head. Through this chakra, we are connected to the universe. We are connected to the divine energy. All these chakra, they have to be well balanced, well aligned. They have to work in sync with each other. Even if one chakra gets blocked, you feel off balance. So this simple exercise which I am going to talk about in today's video will help in fixing it on a regular basis. The basics of it will be fixed. If you are a normal, healthy person, if you are doing it regularly, it will help in fixing it on a day-to-day basis. So in today's video, whatever I'm going to talk about is going to help in fixing the basics of the chakras. You don't need a lot of time, just need 1 minute per chakra. Here is how we are going to do right now with me. Visualize the red light at your tailbone. The first chakra is root chakra, which is at the end of the tailbone. That is where the root chakra is located. You can look at the visuals. Roughly there, the root chakra is located. You can close your eyes, keeping your focus on root chakra. Visualize the red light is glowing there and repeat this affirmation. I am safe and secure. I am grounded. Now shift your focus to your sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is 2 inches below your navel. Visualize orange light glowing from your sacral chakra. And now say the affirmation. I accept changes. I manage uncertainties in my life. I flow with life. I am creative. Now shift your focus to solar plexus or Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra is located just right above the navel. Shift your focus to navel chakra. Visualize a low light glowing from your navel chakra and say the affirmation. I am confident. I respect myself. I respect everyone around me. Now shift your focus to heart chakra, which is in the middle of the chest. The color for heart chakra is green. Visualize green light glowing from your heart chakra and say the affirmation. I give love freely. I receive love freely. From heart chakra, shift your focus to throat chakra, which is roughly located at the pit of the throat. The color for throat chakra is blue. So visualize blue light, the glowing blue light in your throat chakra. Now repeat the affirmation. I have the courage to speak my truth with ease. Now shift your focus to third eye chakra or Ajna chakra, which is in between the eyebrows. And the color here is indigo color. Visualize a bright indigo light glowing from your Ajna chakra and repeat the affirmation. I trust myself. I trust my intuition. Now shift your focus to Now shift your focus to Sahasrara Chakra, which is little above your head. The color for the Sahasrara Chakra is violet color, and visualize the violet light glowing from top of your head and say the affirmation, I am one with the universe. I am connected to the universal wisdom. First time when you are doing it, keep your eyes open, see the video and do it along with me. Afterwards, when you are doing it, once you start understanding the location, the color, everything, you should keep your eyes closed and do, okay? So when you keep your eyes closed and do it regularly on a day-to-day basis, you're clearing your blocks on a day-to-day basis, and you will start experiencing some kind of calmness, some kind of clarity from within you. This is just a 7-minute chakra ritual that can transform your energy every day. You know, when you're consciously connecting to your own self, to your own energy centers, you start getting clarity in life. That is the purpose of this exercise. So do it every morning. Once a day, you do it every day. You can do it either in the morning before you set out for work or before sleep, just before going to bed. Clear your chakras, calm your mind, calm your body. You will have a very nice, peaceful sleep in the night. Comment in the comment box which chakra felt most blocked for you, which needed more cleansing for you today. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video with people whom you know, subscribe to the video to get more and more of self-healing rituals, self-healing tips to take charge of your life, to empower your own life. I'll see you soon with another interesting video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Until then, this is Meghlata signing off with loads of love, tons of good wishes for your good health.